welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm sharing with you how to draw a beautiful but natural looking matte eyebrow and to finish them all off with a flawless brow contour. No editing, no filter, just the real deal 100%. So if you're enjoying this beautiful tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more beautiful tips. Thank you for watching. Like I said, please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.
You know what I've always been thinking of? Sometimes when I just they go through my pictures, I'll see my matric picture. I was like, God, I was so hot and fine that day. I beg, make I go vacation hot too. Because this is where I find. I say, the thing in a matric, as you know, believe. The makeup, everything. Hope say I go hot pass like that though.
Who will do your makeup now?
Now you know.
Are you serious?
Yes, nah. That Israel stayed in the studio that morning.
I remember that you sat on the stone and you were waiting for me. Did you, who snapped you the picture?
It's your husband.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Child.
Maybe I Israel go snap picture. That time that I broke up, I deleted all those pictures.
The Chris. Because of anger.
We don't break up now. I thought there was no hope again for us.
Is it like that guy loves you? That's no. Who is that, my
He
love?
chatted me up.
Who is that, my love? My baby! My baby! What's up now? Okay. Give me
He
everything.
chatted me up lately and I was like, he has missed us. That
You know what?
Yeah, I know you want to hear gist. I know, but subscribe first and turn on your notification button, like and comment. Okay, so this is how we drew our eyebrow. Okay, so best and bestest. So she got back together with our baby boo, and I was so happy. I was so happy because I know the relationship was bound to stay. I know it was not bound to be broken, and I know the guy is always 100% ready to be there for her. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for always supporting and liking my video. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Bye. Enjoy and watch.